do anything. Where'd it go? Did you drop it?
Yeah, I think you dropped it.
Where's your Cheerio? Oh, here we go. Here we go, Mason. Mason, Cheerio. You can get it. I'm distracted by the tags. Here. Here. Ooh, excuse you.
You lost it. Where'd it go?
Nathan. Here, can you take it out of my hand? Here. There you go. There you go. Get it in your mouth. There you go. Getting it? Cheerios taste better with fingers too, don't they?
He's like, aren't I supposed to have milk with my cereal?
What do you think? You like it?
You just swallowed it.
Did you just swallow it?
You want to shake it a couple more?
You want to wash it down with some water? Oh, looks like Daddy's going to get you a couple more.
Have this?
He says no.
What do I got?
Oh, that's way too many. That's way too many, Daddy.
Play around with someone.
Oh, boy.
Pick the right one.
This is going to be the time the girls get some food. Did you just grab one?
He might have got two.
I need to be careful. I only put one in.
He's letting the faster he swallows it down, the quicker you can get more of it.
Call your parents.
Yeah, push some of those away. Too much stuff there.
Okay.